Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you guys today? I hope all of you doing fine. So do you guys still remember our previous lesson, which is about exercise? So now let's listen to the song of exercise and do the exercise too. Okay? Alright, I hope all of you are excited after doing that exercise and listen to the song. So now I want you to get your notebook and then get ready. I will read phrases of action or any exercise name or anything about your previous lesson, and you need to write down what I have read. Okay, so the first one is playing table tennis. Okay, write down playing table tennis. The second one is doing gymnastics. Okay, so that is the number one and number two, and then number three is hitting the ball. So that is number three. So next one, number four, is throwing the ball. So that is number four. Next is playing baseball. So that is number five. And number six is skateboarding. So that is number six. Next is number seven, which is playing guitar. Okay. Next one is playing volleyball. So that is number 8, which is playing volleyball. Next, number 9 is playing tennis. That is number 9. And the last one is jumping. Okay. I hope all of you get all the 10 phrases. I will read it again, but only once of one phrases. Okay. Number 1 is playing table tennis. Number 2, doing gymnastic. 3, hitting the ball. 4, throwing the ball. 5, playing baseball. 6, skateboarding. 7, playing guitar. 8, playing volleyball. 9, playing tennis. And last one, jumping. So this is the answer of listen and write. Okay, so this is the spelling, the correct spelling of all the phrases that I have read before. Okay, so number 1, that is how you are spell playing table tennis. Number 2, doing gymnastic. Number 3, hitting the ball. Number 4, throwing the ball. And then playing baseball, skateboarding, playing guitar, playing volleyball, playing tennis, and jumping. So check your answer. If you have any misspelling, you may rewrite the correct answer. Okay, so now get your textbook, which is your Get Smart Plus 3 book, and turn to page 32. So this is a story of a yak game. Okay, a yak game. So you can see there are 2 children, a boy and a girl. They are playing table tennis. So I want you to listen to the audio of the story and read together with the audio. Okay, read the story together. Okay, so now let's listen to the story.
Module 3. Story time. Activity 1. Listen and read. A yucky game of table tennis.
It's Saturday morning. Tom and Nancy are playing table tennis.
What are you doing, Nancy? Hit the ball. I can't. Oh no! Where is it?
Tom is going to get the ball. He's looking in the plants. Mrs. Clark is watering her plants.
Oh no! It's raining.
Oh, sorry, Tom. It isn't raining. I'm watering the plants. What are you doing?
I'm looking for my ball.
Is that it over there?
Yes, it is.
Tom is happy now. He has the ball. He's running back to Nancy.
Tom, what are you doing? I'm coming. I've got the ball.
Tom throws the ball to Nancy. She hits it, but...
Oh no! Yuck! This isn't a ball. It's an egg.
Okay, I hope all of you understand. So as you can see, there are 4 frames of the story, and then each frame has a bubble dialogue of each children. Okay, so at number 1 frame, what is Tom doing? He is hitting the ball, and then Nancy can't hitting the ball, so the ball is going away. Okay, and then what is Tom doing in frame 2? Okay, he is finding the ball in in the plants. And then the next one is they are want to play again, where Tom find the ball and they want to play again. And the last frame, when Tom hitting the ball is cracked because it's not a ball, it's an egg. So that is the story of a yak game. So now I have sent to you this exercise and I want you to answer the question and refer to the text of the story. Okay, I will give you time to answer the question and then we will discuss the answer. Okay. Alright, I hope all of you are done. So let's discuss the answer. So number one is, the question is for frame number one. The first question is, are they playing tennis? Okay, as you can see in the frame 1, they are playing table tennis. So the answer is yes, they are. And now question number 2 for frame 1, can Tom hit the ball? As you can see, Tom can hit the ball in the frame 1. So the answer is yes, he can. Okay, question number 2 is for frame number 2. Okay, number 1 is, where is Tom looking for the ball? Where is Tom looking for the ball? So take a look at the frame number 2. We can see that Tom find the ball in the plants. So the answer is in the plants. Okay, next question for frame number 2 is, what is Mrs. Clark doing? The answer is, she is watering the plants, because in frame number 2 we can see that Mrs. Clark is watering the plants. And then number 3, frame number 3, the question number 1 for frame number 3 is Tom happy? Okay, as you can see in the frame number 3, you can see that Tom very happy because he find the ball. Okay, so the answer is yes, he is. And next question for frame number 3 is, has Tom got the ball? Has Tom got the ball? Okay, the answer is, in frame number 3 we have seen that Tom is having the ball. So the answer is yes, he has. Okay, last question is for frame number 4, frame last. So focus on frame the last. Okay, the first question for frame number 4 is, who throws the ball? Okay, who throws the ball? As you can see in the frame number 4, we can see that Tom is the one who throws the ball. So the answer is Tom. And the last question is that a real ball? Is that a real ball? Okay, from frame number 4 we can see that the ball is cracked because it's not a ball but it's an egg. So the answer is no, it isn't. So that is all the answer for the question. I hope all of you understand for today's lesson. If you have any question, you may ask me, and make sure you remember what have you learned today. It's about the story of a yak game. And try to practice reading the text, okay? Reading the story and understand the story. You may listen to the audio that I have shared to you before to help you practice reading the story, okay? So that is all for our today's lesson, today's class. Thank you for your attention and see you next class.